Vritika Herbotech is a professional organization. The organization has its own values and standards in the market. They made high standard quality products, and their brand loyalty and trustworthiness is well proved in the market for the last decade period. Vritika Herbotech manufactures glycerin soaps, opaque soaps, shampoos, and other healthy products. And they make more than 100 formulations in herbal products. They uses high quality herbals, and through which they make all highly valuable products from health point of view. The success is brought by Sri T P Tiwari is well recognized in the market, and Mr. T P Tiwari is the behind the highly reputed organization of Vritika Herbotech, and I known him for last 2 years, 2.5 years, and he is a man of commitments. He is a friendly natured man. He is convivial, and he is so versatile in all aspects. His his professionality and commitment and customer orientation made the organization highly successful today, and brought so many credibility and trustworthiness in the market. TP Tiwari not only committed for his high quality products, but also he is highly socially conscious man, and this social consciousness made him to launch Dr. Wellness products through network marketing. And Mr. TP Tiwari wants to reach every nook and corner and every household through this network marketing. His vision and mission really to see the customer satisfaction and see the smile on his customer face through his wellness products. These products are truly proved quality and proved successful products in the market, because the Vritika Herbotech's expertise, exposure, and professionalism in the marketing made these products such a successful products. And the expertise of